All right, basically we are, I'd say 95% done, if not even more, 98%. Looking at it right now, the only thing you will not see is the chrome trim rings on the headlights and the trim that's on the hood, the trunk, and the doors. Everything else is pretty much done. Running boards are on, the windows, the glass, all the door stuff is all in there. New vent windows, and everything's looking really good. We got the rubber piece for the bumper brackets on, so the front bumper is there. So basically at this point, all we are doing is doing all the little odds and ends, getting the little things all set. Actually, before I forget, I haven't shown you guys, but the door panels are on. So the interior is all done. These door panels, they look really good. Like I said before, way back in these videos, this is a so fine interior. These are just covers, so when we sit in it, we're not getting it dirty, but the bottoms are just like the backs. So the interior is all set, the door panels are on, everything works. The door panels look really good. That's obviously what it looks like with the door shut. Rear seat is all in. I know, hard to see with the reflection of the window, but that's all there. And now we're just back to doing little tidbits and little things to get it running better. Getting little things tidied up and all that stuff. So one of those things is the reverse lights kept on blowing the fuse that's underneath the trunk. And I looked into that, and one of the wires that went to the reverse switch on the transmission was very loose. Tightening that up. Now the reverse lights are fine. Another thing that I have to look into is the oil pressure light on the speedometer does not shut off. It stays on all the time. So I need to look into that. Make sure that this engine has the proper oil pressure. I'm almost very confident it does because the engine's been rebuilt, but just want to make sure. And one last thing, or maybe not the last thing, but one more thing, is the shifter can shift into reverse without the lockout plate. And when I took the shifter, everything off, I could see that the bushing inside is totally gone. It's not there anymore. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to take both the seats out, the rear seat, and redo the bushing, take the shift rod linkage all the way forward and do that. So that will be a video project coming up sooner than later. What I did was I spaced out the shifter so the lockout works 85% of the time. It's not perfect, but I just wanted to make sure that we weren't gonna grind it into reverse by accident. So I have to do that at some point. Which just stinks that I have to take the seats back out and all that, but it is what it is. So as of right now, this thing is going to get in alignment next week, next Thursday. So almost a week from today, it's gonna get in alignment. And after that, we're gonna be able to drive it without that much worry. I really didn't want to drive it too much with the front wheels possibly being totally misaligned and ruining the tires or causing any other stress. So I didn't want to drive it too much, but I will do a video soon of me driving it on the road. But it does look, looks pretty amazing. And one last thing I need to do is I'm going to completely buff the whole thing one more time. The doors are pretty much good. I'm going to redo the hood again. I'm going to do the roof because the roof has sat with lots of dust and dirt and everything in it. So I'm going to need to do that again. So I'm going to do that one more time, and then basically it's going to be all set and ready for my mom to enjoy without me having to do any more work to it. So I'm very excited to get to that point. It's a little bit dirty, and like this whole week it's raining again right now, so I still cannot take this outside and show you guys how nice it looks out in the sun. I'm gonna get there one day. I will get there. I'll take this thing to the beach or to the ocean or something and get you guys some nice videos of it. This thing will be cruising this summer, so happy to see that happen. Like I said, it's all the little things now, so if you guys want to see exactly how this all ends up, stick around, subscribe. We will do some more videos. And even when I'm finished, it's still not the end. I'll do any more videos anybody wants to see on this. I'll do updates. So let me know in the comments what you think, and I will talk to you later.